Hello students, so welcome back to my next video on PowerPoint presentation. In my previous videos I have explained many concepts of PowerPoint presentation, and in today's video I shall be explaining another concept, and that concept is how do we add header, footer, date, time in our slides. Okay, so as you can see here we have 4 slides in our presentation. Okay, so now we go to insert menu and you can see here some options, like you can see header, footer, date and time. So I will select my first slide. You can select any slide. Okay, so I'm selecting first slide and I'm selecting date and time option. You can see a new window here. There are 2 tabs, slide, notes and handouts. So I'm selecting the slide tab, and you can see as date and time option I select this checkbox, and you see the preview that date and time will be displayed at your left bottom. Okay, if you deselect it, see the preview, it will be deselected. I want to change the format of date. I want date to be displayed in this format. Okay, you can select any format, so I want like this. So date will be displayed at your at your left bottom. Then it is written here fixed. That means if you don't want your date to be updated automatically in your slide, you select the fixed option. But if you want date to be updated automatically in your slide, whenever you open your slides, you will select this option. Date will be automatically updated. Okay, always current date will be displayed in your slide. Then slide number, like we have 4 slides, we want slide number to be displayed. So keep on viewing the preview option also. As soon as I select the slide number, see slide number will be displayed towards your right bottom. I want footer section. Footer will be displayed in somewhere in the middle of your slide. This, see, if I deselect it, here it is deselected. So I'm selecting the footer section, and here you can write some text what you want to add in your footer section. Okay, so suppose I'm giving some text, submitted by. I've given this text in the footer section. There's a checkbox which is saying don't show on the title slide. This means all these changes will not be shown on your title slide if you select this checkbox. Now what is title slide? Usually first slide is called the title slide. So right now we have already selected the first slide and we are applying these changes, but we are selecting this checkbox. That means these changes will not be applied to your first slide, that is called the title slide. Okay, so I'm selecting this. Now you can see here options apply to all, apply and cancel. Apply to all means these all changes which you have made, that is date and time, slide number, footer, will be shown in all the other 3 slides, that is second, third and fourth, if you select apply to all option. ठीक है, अगर आपने अप्लाई टू ऑल ऑप्शन चूज किया तो ये सारे चेंजेस आपको बाकी 3 स्लाइड्स में दिखाई देंगे. फर्स्ट जो कि टाइटल स्लाइड है उसमें नहीं दिखाई देगा क्योंकि आपने इसको सिलेक्ट किया, डोंट शो ऑन टाइटल स्लाइड. और अगर आप अप्लाई ऑप्शन चूज कर रहे हैं, मतलब कि आपने जिस स्लाइड को सिलेक्ट किया है बस उसी स्लाइड में ये चेंजेस अप्लाई होंगे, फर्स्ट टाइटल स्लाइड को छोड़ के. सपोज आपने सेकंड स्लाइड को सिलेक्ट किया है और उसके बाद आपने ये चेंजेस सेकंड स्लाइड में अप्लाई किए और आपने सिर्फ अप्लाई ऑप्शन चूज किया, तो ये चेंजेस सिर्फ सेकंड स्लाइड में होंगे, थर्ड और फोर्थ में नहीं होंगे. ओके, सो राइट नाउ आई वांट दीज चेंजेस टू बी अप्लाइड ऑन ऑल दीज 3 स्लाइड्स. सो आई विल सिलेक्ट अप्लाई टू ऑल ऑप्शन. Okay, so this is our first slide, title slide, in which nothing is visible. Okay, now we'll go to second slide because This is our title slide and we have selected the option that we don't want those changes to be displayed on your title slide. यानी कि आपको फर्स्ट स्लाइड में ना ही स्लाइड नंबर, डेट, फुटर, सेक्शन कुछ नहीं दिखाई देगा. सेकेंड स्लाइड में अगर हम गए, सी इट्स वेरी विजिबल. Like you can see the date format, footer submitted by Neha and the slide number. This is our second slide. Third slide, you can see the page number, footer section, date and time, similarly in your fourth slide. So this is how you add date, time, footer in your slide. In my next video, I shall be explaining how to insert header in your slide. Okay, so for now this is all about in this video. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, and if you like my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.